Well, I got my new favorite meter here. And, of course, the one problem with him is, like everything, he's not perfect, but he sure is good enough. And he only goes up to 120. That's our problem. And most of our battery packs are more. So what I've done is I've come up with a resistor divider. And these are the values right here. Now, our meter actually has 400,000 ohms of resistance on its sense wire. That's our sense wire right there. So I made this divider up, and what I wanted the meter to read was I wanted to look at, I wanted to show me a battery voltage that I could relate to the lithium battery. So this actually is 1 cell voltage, or 10 cell voltages, and except that I just move in my mind the decimal. And Dave's okay with that. He likes that idea. So basically this shows that my cell voltage is 3.594. And we just moved that decimal over, and we can look down to 1,000th of a volt. And I did that by adjusting these resistors. Our total voltage of our whole pack right now was 108, and when I divide that by 30, I get I get 3.6. So yeah, I am 0.006 of a volt off, but I'm going to let that go. Could have kept on with the resistors and got it perfect, but it's close enough. So there you go. We got that meter now reading what we can relate to in cell voltages. Now, our one problem with all this is we're not going to have an accurate watt-hour or kilowatt-hour measurement. We'll have to multiply whatever the kilowatts are by 30, but that's no big deal. The other thing, we will have an accurate amp hour, and we'll be able to look at our voltage and say, all right, we're half full. We'll set the meter up so that that little battery looks nice. And Dave's over there working on his batteries. Let's get a quick glance at how Dave is doing with his batteries. Dave's a carpenter. I like working with wood too, because just lots of reasons. So we're actually going to have 10 batteries in his setup.